Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. My name is Peter.
And hello from me too. I am Jane. We are very happy to speak to you today.
Yes, Jane. Today we have a wonderful topic. It is about your brain. We want to help you train your brain. We want to help you think in English.
Think in English. That is a big goal, Peter. Many people think in their first language, translate the words in their head, and then speak. That is very slow. It is hard work.
You are right, Jane. Translation is a long road. We want a short road. We want you to see an object and say the English word immediately. No translation, just English.
That sounds perfect. Let us start with our first rule. Step number 1, think in small sentences. Peter, how can our listeners do this?
It is very simple. Do not try to think about big, difficult ideas. Start with very small phrases during your day. Let us practice a basic pattern. Listen and repeat. This is my room.
Good. Let us try another one. Listen and repeat. My computer is black.
Excellent. You can do this all day. Let us look at some real situations. Imagine a woman named Chloe. Chloe is at her job. She sits at her office desk. She looks at her desk and thinks in English. This is my desk. My phone is white. I have a pen. Chloe does not translate. She connects the English words directly to her real life.
That is a great example, Chloe. Let us look at a different situation. Imagine a man named Liam. Liam wants to rent an apartment. He goes to see a new flat. He walks into the kitchen. He looks around and says in his mind, "This is my kitchen. The window is big. I have a fridge." This helps Liam feel confident with basic English.
Yes, it is like a game. You can do it anywhere. When you wake up in the morning, what do? You open your eyes. You can think, I am awake. I am hungry. I want coffee.
I love coffee. Let us give our listeners another pattern for the morning. Listen and repeat. The water is hot.
Perfect. Now let us move to step number 2. Step number 2 is all about input. Input means English comes into your head. It comes through your ears when you listen and through your eyes when you read or watch.
Yes, but the input must be easy. It must be at your level, like level A1 or A2. If you listen to very fast English, your brain gets tired. The words fly away like fast birds. You feel lost.
Exactly. Your brain needs easy food. When you listen to simple English, your brain learns the music of the language. It learns the natural patterns. Jane, what can people listen to?
First, they can listen to simple podcasts like ours. Second, they can listen to simple songs. Pop music is great because it repeats the same words many times. Let us practice a phrase you often hear in songs. Listen and repeat. I am happy today.
Music is wonderful because it is fun. Learning must be fun. If it is boring, you will stop. Another great input is watching short videos, but choose topics that you love. For example, if you love food, watch simple cooking videos in English.
Oh, yes. Imagine a chef named Matteo. Matteo is watching an English cooking video on his phone. The person in the video cuts a vegetable and says, I see the tomato. I cut the tomato. Matteo sees the action and hears the word at the same time. This is powerful input.
Let us practice that phrase. Listen and repeat. I see the tomato.
Wonderful. What if a person loves sports? Imagine a young woman named Zara. Zara loves football. She watches a short video about a football match in English. The commentator says, he kicks the ball. It is a goal. Zara is excited because she loves football and her brain is happy. A happy brain learns very fast.
So, find your passion. If you like travel, watch a video about a beautiful city. The guide says, this is Paris. The river is beautiful. You enjoy the view, and you learn English naturally.
Now let us talk about step number 3. Step number 3 is output. Output means English goes out of your head. This means speaking.
But Jane, many students tell me, Peter, I am alone. I live in a place where nobody speaks English. I have no partner. How can I practice output?
You do not need a partner to start. You can speak to yourself. You can talk to yourself in your bedroom, in your car, or even in the shower. Nobody will think you are crazy if you do it at home.
That is true. Your ears need to hear your own voice speaking English. It builds a strong connection in your brain. You can start by describing the things around you out loud. Let us practice this pattern. Listen and repeat. I see a car.
Let us try another one. Listen and repeat. I see the street.
Now, let us look at a real-life situation. Imagine a man named Omar. Omar is traveling and staying in a hotel room. He wants to practice his English output. He stands in the middle of the room and speaks out loud to himself. I have a bed. The bed is big. I see a lamp. The lamp is on. Omar is alone, but he is training his tongue and his brain.
That is an excellent method, Omar. Let us see another situation. Imagine a woman named Elena. Elena is at home in her kitchen, making dinner. She decides to talk about her actions out loud. She says, I am sitting. I am cooking dinner. The food is hot. She is using the present continuous tense naturally because she describes what is happening right now.
Let us practice that action pattern. Listen and repeat. I am walking.
Listen and repeat. I am reading a book. Pause.
You can also do this at night before you go to sleep. You can lie in bed and talk about your day in the past tense. For example, imagine a student named Yuki. Yuki is in bed. She looks at the ceiling and speaks quietly to herself about her day. Today, I was happy. I ate salad for lunch. I walked in the park. This is a beautiful way to finish the day with English.
Wow, Peter, these 3 steps are so clear. Let us review them for our listeners. Step 1, think in small sentences every day. Step 2, get easy input by listening to simple podcasts and watching videos about things you love. Step 3, create output by speaking to yourself and describing your world out loud.
Yes, Jane, but I have an important question. Is this process fast? Will my brain completely change tomorrow morning?
No, Peter, it is not fast. Learning a language takes time. It is a slow journey, and that is completely normal. You must be patient. You must be kind to your brain.
I agree. Do not try to study for 4 hours in one day and then do nothing for a week. That makes your brain tired and stressed. It is much better to do just 10 or 15 minutes every single day. Small steps every day create big results.
Yes, routine is our friend. And Peter, what about mistakes? Many people are afraid to speak because they worry about making a mistake.
Oh, mistakes are beautiful. Mistakes mean that you are trying. They are a normal part of learning. If you say, she have a car, instead of she has a car, it is okay. Do not be sad. Just smile, say, oh, okay, and try again. Be brave.
That is a wonderful attitude. We must be brave and we must have fun. If you follow your interests, like our friend Mateo with his cooking videos, or Zara with her football videos, English becomes a hobby, not a difficult chore.
Well said, Jane. My brain feels very happy after this conversation. I can feel our listeners' English brains growing right now.
Me too, Peter. Thank you for the great conversation and the wonderful examples.
Thank you, Jane. And thank you to everyone who is listening to us today. Before we say goodbye, we have a small question for you for your homework.
Yes, please write an answer for us. What do you do to train your English brain? Do you listen to music? Do you speak to yourself in the shower? Or do you watch travel videos? Tell us your story.
We really want to read your thoughts. Thank you for your time. Be patient with your learning and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in our next episode.
Bye-bye.